To walk around and explore is actually refreshing.
It's been a nice break in the monotony.
Lord Kazuya.
What's up?
Something wrong?
No, but I am getting quite hungry.
In that case, how about we go get something to eat at Juna's Cafe?
Shirube yami o harae.
要するにこの勇者を助けろってことだよね。
腹減った。
流体児？
I don't eat, my life goes down. A problem you badass knights don't have.
Such language. Even integrity knights get hungry. We must eat or we lose life like you.
Whoa! Hold on. Sorry. I was...
Okay, thanks. I'm sorry I worried you.
Oh, hey, how about grabbing a hot dog together at Tom's? I still owe you for the other day, so it'll be my treat.
Sounds like you're the one who needs to eat.